Hello friends, do you know that every participating team like India, Pakistan, New Zealand, and England will take $225,000 without even winning a single match? And do you know that recently ICC has declared the winning prize for the ICC T20 World Cup 2024, and this is the biggest price offered by ICC for any tournament. But have you ever wondered where the ICC gets all this money from? Let's dive in and uncover the secrets. If we talk about the winning prize, then ICC has allocated a sum of $11.25 million, that's a whopping 94 crore Indian rupees, and a staggering 300 crore Pakistani rupees. The winner-up will get $2.45 million, and the runner-up will take $1.28 million. And all the teams that will make it to the semi-final will get almost $8 lakh, while every team will receive a minimum of $2,25,000 just for showing up. For example, if India becomes the champion, it will get 20 crore Indian rupees. Apart from this, the ICC covers other expenses which include the salaries of umpires and match referees. And from the perspective of host countries, the biggest expense is tax exemption. Basically, the country which hosts the ICC tournament must declare itself as a tax-free zone. Due to this reason, the ICC Cricket World Cup 2021, which was officially planned in India, moved to UAE and Oman because the BCCI would have faced a loss of 906 crores if the Indian government did not offer full tax exemption. Other expenses include stadium infrastructure and security arrangements, etc. And you will be surprised to hear that Qatar had to spend $220 billion to organize the FIFA World Cup 2022. But now the question is, how does the ICC meet all these expenses? The simplest answer is the four main revenue streams, which include broadcasting, revenue from tickets, sponsorship, and merchandising. And with the help of these four resources, India made a staggering 22,000 crores. The most important of all is broadcasting. Keep this in mind. The deal for broadcasting rights is not done for a single ICC tournament, but for a specific period. If we talk about 2015 to 2023, then the official broadcaster of ICC was Star Sports, which was owned by Disney India. This deal was comprised of 20 major tournaments like the ICC Cricket World Cup 2015 and ICC T20 World Cup 2022, etc. ICC sold these rights for a mind-blowing $2 billion, and it was the second biggest deal in the history of cricket. But again, there is a question. How do these broadcasting companies earn their revenue? The answer is digital advertising. Every company wants its brand to reach a wider audience. That's why many companies advertise their products through different broadcasters and pay a handsome amount. According to a report, the broadcasters earned a staggering 1,600 to 1,800 crores during the ICC Cricket World Cup 2019. This was twice the revenue made during the ICC Cricket World Cup 2015, which was 700 crores. The broadcasters charged 25 to 30 lakhs for a 10-second ad during the Pak-India match of the T20 World Cup 2021. Due to this reason, the arch rivals Pakistan and India are kept in the same group because the more the viewership is, the more revenue the broadcasters will be able to generate. That's why Disney Star alone has paid $3 billion out of the $3.2 billion deal for the years 2024 to 2027. Therefore, in the revenue model from 2024 to 2027, the BCCI will earn $230 million per year, which is 40% of the ICC's yearly revenue. If we talk about the other cricket boards, like Pakistan, Australia, and England, we find that the combined revenue of these three countries is not even 20%, which is even less than half of the revenue made by the Indian Cricket Board. It is because India has the largest viewership for cricket in comparison to any other country. According to a report, every two from a group of 3 Indians prefer to watch cricket. It means 98 crore Indians are interested in watching cricket, and this figure is much bigger than even the population of any other cricketing nation. Next up, we have revenue from the sale of match tickets. This revenue is divided between the ICC and the host country by a specific proportion. According to a report, ICC made a ticketing revenue of 2,000 crores from the ICC World Cup 2023. It is obvious that the most expensive tickets are of Pakistan-India matches, and these are booked very quickly. For instance, the Pak-India tickets of ICC T20 World Cup 2022 sold out within minutes, and the real business starts after that, because some resale websites start selling the tickets in black. you can clearly see that the price of a normal ticket for a Pac India match is $300, while the price of hospitality goes up to $10,000. But if seen on SeatGeek, which is a resale website, the lowest price was $1,166, while the highest price was $2,25,000, which makes Indian 1.86 crores. Talking about the present T20 World Cup, the arrival of 15 to 20 lakh visitors is expected, which can bring revenue up to $100 million. Now comes the third source of income, which is sponsorship. Every brand logo you see, whether it's on team jerseys, helmets, training kits, ground boundaries, wickets, or stadium screens, is part of a dynamic sponsorship or partnership deal. These logos are everywhere, turning every inch of the game into a marketing masterpiece. Basically, these partners are divided into three categories, which include global partners, official partners, and category partners. The global partners have the most prominent affiliation, and they sponsor more than one ICC tournament, while the official partners only deal with a single tournament, and the category partners sponsor specific aspects like the technology or sports equipment. If we look from the perspective of sponsorship and sports marketing, we find that revenue of 1,000 crores has been generated from the Pac India matches of the previous 20 years. And finally, let's talk about merchandising. During every tournament, the ICC rolls out a fantastic range of official products and apparel, making every fan a part of the action. These products are purchased on an international scale. The larger the sale, the bigger the share of the pie for the ICC. According to an estimate, ICC will make a revenue of $50 to $60 million through merchandising from the present T20 World Cup. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Finzio for more exciting insights.